and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial on how to do a bow. So keep watching if you want to know how to do it. And we're going to do this new thing and you have to subscribe in 5 seconds. So let's go. 5, 4, 3, subscribe. 2, 1. Have you subscribed? If you did, thank you so much. It means a lot. And let's get at it.
So guys, we're just going to start by pulling the hair back into a high ponytail. This high ponytail needs to be the highest ponytail you've ever done. I like to just start by grabbing all the edges and nothing below the ears yet. Kind of a thing. And then I'm going to grab the bottom of her hair, like here, and pull it up. So that just gives you like kind of a thing. Yeah. Here. Her hair is quite long. With short people, it's quite short-haired people, it's quite hard to do these kind of things. So suggest you have kind of long hair for this, but you can still do it with short. And you're just gonna pull it forward, and so it's like there. That's probably high enough. And you're gonna tie it, but on the last tie, you are going to just kind of put it in like that. So grab this piece, should be there. And then this is the important bit, so you can see this. I'm just gonna put this piece around there. You're just kind of opening this up so it goes down, and then you're gonna split it in the middle. Then I'm gonna put the piece around and put it over. God, this piece is really knotty, so I'm just gonna get the hair and brush it out. And guys, this takes quite a long time actually to like do it properly. So, and I hope this really helped on getting your bow. It looks really fun and playful, so
Make sure to give it a thumbs up,
and
subscribe, and comment down below all nice things. Bye. See you next time.